Guys, welcome to FM Driving School. So as you know, we're going to be starting driving lessons from Monday the 12th. So my plan is now to clear up the car and clean it thoroughly. I mean, obviously it's clean as it is here, but we're just going to clean it even more so that it's well sanitized. Let me just show you the products I'm using. So I bought this product here. I don't really know how to use it. We're going to just check it out. So antibacterial Dettol. So as I said, we're going to make sure it's well sanitized for all our students. So it looks like you can just spray it onto, like seats like this. All right, let me just double check. And we also got wipes. Again, similar Dettol wipes. And we got some what is it, Febreze fragrances. I got another one here. Let me just bring it out. So this is it should smell like I think Savage. Yeah, so we're gonna spray that onto the car and make the car very clean, very spotless and well sanitized. So I'm just reading how to use this product. So all you do is just shake it and spray it on, and it says allow to air dry, no need to wipe it down. So what I might do first is I might actually use this wipe first to clear up all the parts of the car that we may possibly use. Make sure, for example here, most students will be adjusting the head restraint, they'll be adjusting the seat. We're going to make sure it's wiped down. We're going to be making sure the door handles, even here when you adjust the windows and mirrors, sorry. And we're going to make sure every part is spotless and clean. Even the mirrors that you guys touch, you can see it's quite dirty already. That's just dust though, don't worry. What else? We're gonna hoover the whole car, making sure the car is spotless, clean and safe to drive. So here's me hoovering it down. As you can see, nice and clean right now. So I'm gonna do the whole car, hoovering it down. And any spots that I see that haven't sprayed, I'm gonna spray it with this can again. So here you can see I've sprayed also the pedals. Just move that away. So here's me wiping it with the Dettol wipes. This is the mat that we put the sat nav on, so I'm going to make sure I wipe this as well as the sat nav. Don't forget to wipe the radio thoroughly clean. Don't worry, I'm going to take this bead off my mirror. Because I haven't been teaching, I can put on the mirror, accessorize my car as much as I want. But during the lesson, we'll make sure any accessories are taken off so that it's safe. When you're driving, your view isn't restricted. Don't also forget the gear stick, the handbrake, and wipe around it thoroughly. So I'm just spraying the car here, the door of the car. Now I'm going to spray this seat. Don't forget the seat belt as well. Now on the driver's side, I'm going to clean this part up thoroughly. Don't mind my sandals. It's summer right now, so I'm getting ready for the summer. I'm on my tea break right now, so if you guys ever want to give me a coffee, I like chai latte extra hot from Starbucks. So this product here, it does smell extremely nice, so I don't think I'm going to be spraying any of this on anytime soon. But it does seem like there's a slight problem, which is you can see the watermarks. So what I'm going to now do is probably get this and wipe it down one more time, because I don't like the watermarks. Even though the can says you can just let it air dry, so I will be wiping it down now. So anyway, now it's time to wipe down, for example, the steering wheel, the indicators, the part where you change the mirrors, the keys, the door handle. So I'm going to wipe down every single part that the student might possibly touch. Don't forget, you can always check out my site for loads of information. And the final thing is to take this bead down, getting ready for you guys for your driving lesson. Let me just take it down. There we have it. So thank you for watching. Our car is going to be well prepared for all you students out there, and hopefully you guys will pass your driving test and your theory test. Thank you for watching.